Chitariki sana cy'umutinyo gatano arimo kiro mwaka ne chitariki kibekira nsemo lego cengero bolende bw'ebintu bire bitwatanene imensengima asengencheyo eskuru ya basike ya kereri niko yatwara umujega goko yasimeke metimi eskuru eyo umujego uyu nyaraka bagokora wono mu waziri bwa makire ibintu bire bitwatanene me account ya Kisii omoskale ya bwari ogega abo asekerenga kyo mwakoje gakyarenge iko kyanibo chabu waje plastic
can be able to manage our waste. Tunafanya segregation ndio tuweze manage our waste vizuri. Na segregation kuweza kufanya yani kuweza kutofautisha ni uchafu gani tunatumia waste bins, na ndio nataka hata wananchi wajue ya kwamba kama Kisii County tumesonga mbele na kuweza kuweka hizo waste bins kila mahali.
That is important that we conserve our environment and we eradicate altogether what we call plastic pollution.
Ni gotabita mugonji oyore omwarimu munene bwe skuru eyo amatogi omwara kigwoyomo asokolike ise igoriye bintu bire bitwetanene na kolibeke ile skuru eyo bosyo.
This a girl who participated. She wrote an essay that has been recognized internationally and nationally, and we are happy, and it's all about matters of environment, and I know she has done us proud as a school, and she has put us in the map of Kenya and the map of the international map.
Ekiombe kya Environment Homage Foundation niko kyabasabira abantu bonsi batige ko tugutaye bipira kolenda babitumeka korosya basaka kole bintu binde elinako kyania ogotiringa amazingira
iringa nari mwamu ase ritukeriga yainge against plastic pollution, yani gotiringa amazingira ito wetera ase plastic ekiga chichuba na polythene papers amazingira yaito nara agereta tomenyete igokero uko kwanyore maybe obo chafu gose plastic kwanyare gotumeka gosama sakarari kwagorire ibintu kwabugoriri tonyara kunya tukutandonsi gose ne para gose chindoche ekyagera kunyara gotiringa chindoche na ndasari environment
emerobere yo gosibyo roche rwanya komisaro oruro titasobo gatagati bo mocho bosongo negatia bire byanyara kwa biko kwanirwa somo sangererkano yo
is a project I presented to her which is about the river Nyakomisaro, and I know we are going to do something about it. It's one of the most affected when it comes to plastic pollution.
Elekubeke segeto gotia saba manyibe county ya Kisii gosimeke meta sobonge serikali ya county ya Kisii wono nigira chikubeka chinasari chemete asekere ward.
We are in the process of establishing tree nurseries in several wards which serve as a long-term source of seedlings for water catchment restorations. Environmental conservation is not the duty of the government alone, a shared responsibility. So I urge each one of us to play his or her part.
Binko reporteria Ensoko TV kurwa skuru ya Kereri egotoka asensemu yebunga nyali bali chache county ya Kisii. Retoriane Wycliffe Orenge.